The amazing thing about ElevenLabs is not only does it have a variety of different types of voices that you can use, but it's also free up to the first 10,000 characters. As you can see, total quota remaining is 10,000. Then you can sign up and it's still relatively cheap. But these quotes, you could probably make 20 to 30 of these videos and still not use up the 10,000 word quota, okay? So if you come up to the top, you can see in the settings here, you can choose the voice that you want. Now you can listen to these voices, okay? So if I play this, Adam's probably one of the most popular voices out there. If I play this.
Allow the world to live as it chooses and allow yourself to live as you choose.
Okay, so you've got him, you've got Arnold.
What worries you masters you.
So Arnold and Adam are probably the two more famous ones. So I'm going to select Adam. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to put this in here. Make sure that you've got any sort of commas and full stops, etc. wherever you want them. And now what you want to do is just scroll down and click on to generate. Once you click on to generate, this is going to generate this voice. Now, it's very simple to download. And once this downloads, we can play it. Now, you can see that this is 19 seconds long. So that's perfect. Okay, so let's play this.